So my first professional course, which was chartered accountancy, definitely came out of my own interest towards numbers and finance. Obviously, that was a logical choice for me to build a foundation around what I wanted to do and what I liked. But as I moved in my career and I wanted to do an advanced educational course, I think what I realized is that I wanted to move away from the core finance and understand the business and strategy part as well. So, from the choices perspective, I think MBA was one of my first choices in terms of the course which will give me a holistic learning around what I wanted to do in my life ahead. And based on that, I think I explored the options, what I want to do, from where I want to do, and how I want to do. So there were definitely some influences, some external interferences, some involvements and discussion around what else could I do, what better could I do. But obviously, I think MBA would have given me an edge as compared to my peers who are generally in the finance domain and doing courses around that.
I think I should have gone for computer science and not for electronics and communication engineering, because in today's world we see like computer science is everywhere, and you know that is one core skill which is required not by every company. And I believe like my after electronics and communication engineering, I ended up in a software development sector, and I really picked up the coding skills. So I would have done pretty well if I would have taken computer science. The second thing that I should have done was I should have taken a 2-year MBA course as compared to 1-year MBA course, because 1-year MBA courses are pretty rushed up. So I believe like from a learning point of view, you do not get to learn a lot. And a 2-year MBA course might have widened the perspective a lot and should have given me the skills on from the academic point of view.
So one thing if I had to do differently was to be more aware of what other options are. So I was so focused on engineering that I didn't even know, okay, there's a base statistics option, there's a CA options. For me, CA was like, okay, the people would be filing tax for this, but I didn't know what other career options CA has. Similarly, for statistics, I usually use, okay, their career is to go and teach mathematics in the students. So I didn't know the career options for different fields. So this is where I feel I was lacking in awareness. I was more a bookworm and try to just crack the exam which has been in front of me. But rather than that, I was not exploring the areas which I could potentially be done better. So in terms of process, my decisions could have been same. But yeah, I would have liked to explore more things and know what else I could do.